Hey guys, I'm doing a review on the Matco 27-piece master radiator pressure test kit. I picked this up for like 260 bucks. There's the item number if you want to look it up. I think it retails for 400. There's 19 adapters that come with the kit. Pressure tester and the vacuum refill. So we're gonna swap out the coolant on an 05 Toyota Corolla CE, and I'll show you how this thing does. I did have a problem with the number 5 adapter here, and I had to call Matco and they sent me out a new one. Alright, so 05 Toyota Corolla CE 1.8 liter. We're going to drain this coolant out of the radiator, and we're going to test out this Matco kit. Take the radiator cap off, then we'll take you underneath. I'm going to drain the coolant out. Okay, so we're going to put a vacuum on the system. We're going to bring it into the 50 to 60 range. Both of these valves are closed. We're going to open up this one. You should see the coolant hoses collapse in the back. So now we're going to open this valve and start filling it back up. Once it gets to, I believe 0, it should be full. So I'm going to try to monitor that bucket and monitor this gauge at the same time. It shouldn't take too long. Okay, we are almost there. You see Okay, so basically just disconnect it once it's full. Put your radiator cap back on, run the engine, make sure the heater's on high. It's a pretty good tool. The leak tester is pretty good too. You could test radiator caps, basically the ones that are on the actual radiator itself. They only, I think, have 2 adapters that would fit into a cap that goes on the overflow tank, so you're not going to be able to test all caps with this kit. But overall, it's a decent kit. Like I said, I did have a problem. This was a number 5, I believe, part number 5 in the actual kit. I had a problem, the machining, it wouldn't fit in, so I called Matco up. They shipped me out a new one, no questions asked. So overall, I recommend the kit. That's basically how you just do a simple drain and refill on a 2005 Toyota Corolla CE 1.8 liter engine. Pretty easy. This kit makes it fairly simple. Be able to purge and vacuum, put a vacuum on the system and refill it. So check that out on Matco. Don't forget to like and subscribe.